Hello and welcome to my channel. This card that I'm making today, I wanted to show you that you can get a really cute card with very little materials and very inexpensively. I got this card design from items that I got from the dollar store and from the clearance rack at Joann's. This is a pop-up design which has a sticker inside of a haunted house and some stickers on the outside. To make this card, I used the Stampin Up Howl-o-ween Treat stamp set and the Fawn reverse stitch scallop circle windows. And that's all I needed for this card. You could create it with the circle punch if you had one, or you could just not have the pop-up feature and just put a sticker on the inside. And these are the stickers that I got. It cost me $1 and I have all of these that I could create different cards with. So let me show you how to create this card. The first thing I want to do is to make my punch out. So I'm taking the smallest of these circles. And if you didn't have this stamp set, you could use a 2-inch circle punch and it would get the same effect. So I know that I want it to be generally around this area. So I'm going to take this to my Big Shot and punch it out. I will be right back. And now I have my little window ready to go. I like this die set because it makes this really cute stitch circle. I think you can see it, yeah. Stitch circle with the lacy edge on the inside. It's really nice if you're going to be using little small character stamps to highlight it. So now I'm going to grab my Misty tool and do the stamping that I need for the front of the card. Because this is a foam stamp set, I need to take this out because I need extra space. Okay, I want the skeleton to be about here because I want to make sure that I leave room for the ribbon. And I'm going to be stamping this with Distress Ink Picket Fence. You could use any white ink. You could use Hero Arts Unicorn White or any of the Ranger inks, but I'm not having good luck with them. They tend to smear a lot when I try to use it, so I stick to the Distress ink because it dries very quickly. But you can of course use whichever you like, and if you use the Unicorn White, you'll get a much more vibrant white here than I am getting, and that's why I'm stamping it 2 times to make it pop a little bit more. Okay, that is good for me. Now the rest of the assembly is very simple, so I'm going to just let the music run and put the card together. And that's the finished card. It's really simple to make a little DIY project like this, and it's very inexpensive. You may have noticed I ran into a little bit of a problem And this shows the importance of measuring, measuring, measuring. I thought I had a piece that was 5.5 by 4.25, but I actually had only 5.25 by 4. So it's a little bit small. So I just took and cut the extra bit off the top, and I will also go back and cut this off the side too to make it look more presentable. I'd like to thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. And I'd like to thank my brother David for the music, and I hope you're enjoying the music as well. In addition to the holiday music, he has created a lot of songs for me, and I try to incorporate it into my card making, and I hope that everyone is enjoying the wonderful jazz music. Take care, everyone, and have a great day and a happy Halloween.